In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open up your Toyota Solara key fob to replace the internal battery at home. Don't worry, this is a very simple process. You will just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries to get it done. If you don't know where to get one of those batteries, or you would just like to get one online, I will leave a link down in the description here on YouTube so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. The first step here is to look down at the bottom of the device where this keyring attaches. You can see right there, there is a little slot in the plastic. You want to have the back side facing up and just insert your flathead screwdriver into that area and give it a twist. That will crack this thing open and you can remove the back piece of plastic and the battery is right there. All we need to do is slide the battery out with our thumb or finger and just pull it out. Just pull it out there, and once again, this is a CR2032 battery. When you put your new battery in, make sure the positive side is going face up. So slide it in. You want to see that plus side facing up, and we just click the two halves of the device back together, and we are finished. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like so others can see it and it can help them as well. And if you ever are changing the battery in another one of your key fobs, remember we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every make or model, so you can always check those out. You can also visit us directly at our website, fobbattery.com.